please, and special guests, invitees, graduates, and attendants.
Come to fly with the dreams you've held so long. Followed by Lieutenant Barbecue,
Academy of Nursing Control. I am Ms. Pynkupburom. We are also here to express our gratitude to the teachers, the parents, and our appreciation for your presence today. On this special day, we can feel Pynkupburom to come forward, please, and special guests, invitees, graduates, and attendants.
come to fly with the dreams you've held so long. Followed by Lieutenant Barbecue,
Academy of Nursing Control. I am Ms. Pynkupburom.
St. Joseph Academy of Nursing, I would say, it shines as a beacon of excellence, upholding the highest standard of service, character, and academic achievement. Well, I believe that the Academy has consistently nurtured not just skilled professionals, but professionals with compassion. Professionals who would carry forward this noble mission of healthcare. Its vision remains steadfast to nurture service-minded youth, ready to bear the witness of Christ's love through acts of compassion and to serve community irrespective of caste, creed, or religion. Also the unwavering commitment to bring this institution to one which is, I hope, in this region, one of the premier institutions in the days to come. Well, to the young graduates of today, let me tell you that today you join the noble ranks of those who have dedicated their lives to healing. Well, to appreciate the weight and the beauty of this noble calling, let us be reminded of the life of Florence Nightingale.